Today I have all of my trash packs. If you wonder what trash packs are little trashies. They're trash, and they're in a pack. And I get these at the dollar store for $2, for $8, $2 for each pack. Keep it. So, and these are series 3. So, and I have them all in the bag. So let's get them all out. Yeah. One trash pack stuck in here. Get out. Okay. So I'll show you all my trash packs. So here's my first trashy. I really like this one because it's a little tiny owl that looks shaky as it's cold. So cute. So cute. He's so cute. so cute. He's so cute. And then I get this, like, crying little one. Yeah. So here he is. He's so cute. He's so cute. He is so cute. He's a little sad. He's sad. This one, I like it. It's a little snake that looks like that right here. It has like this little, I don't know on it. But then right here, can you guys see that? It's a little, looks like he's drooling. Here's my last one. This one's really weird. I have no idea what this is. Can you go? It's so weird. I really like it, but it's weird. Now let's move on to all these. Yeah. Get it. I think I lost something. So maybe I didn't. Whatever. I lost one. Doesn't matter. Okay, so I got this little thing from them. This is washworm. Here he is. I don't know what this one's name is. Goat. And this is a snot rag. There we go. And if you get one, it comes with this here. It says the trash packs. And it has all the magnets that you can get in here. Hold on. So there's these. Let's get all these. So here's our first one. So that's that one. Now there's this one. There's our little bull ant, I think it is. Okay, so here's our rock Brock. I just like to call him that. Here we go. Nee. And at the end of this video, I will tell you what this video really is. And we have 2 iPads at my house. One's my sister's and one's mine. I'm using my sister's right now because my dog peed on my iPad. So I can't use it anymore. I can't use the camera. The camera doesn't work. So that's why I'm using my sister's. And then here's this weird smoothie. I really like it. If you're wondering what you're hearing there talking, it's just my sister on my iPad. Okay, so then we got this one right here. And then we got this one. There was 4 of these, and we're missing one. And we're missing the poop monster. We have all these except the poop monster one. What? There we go. And then we got this one here. And then we get this pumpkin. And then we get this shark. And our last one is this bird. So that's all of my trash packs that I have today. Bye. And this is the Bridget and Hannah show. My name is Bridget and my sister's name is Hannah. So bye guys.